Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Robinhood for insurance-focused investment planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Create an account by selecting the sign up option. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Enter your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new Robinhood account using your credentials. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Find the option for investing preferences and click on it. Select the focus area for your investment planning, specifically insurance-related strategies. Explore the educational resources provided by Robinhood to better understand insurance investments. Start by researching different investment options related to insurance, such as annuities or insurance stocks. Review your risk tolerance and investment goals to create a tailored strategy. Consider setting up recurring investments based on your long-term objectives. Link your bank account to enable fund transfers for investment purchases. Pay attention to market trends and insurance sectors to make informed decisions. Utilize Robinhood's tools for monitoring your investments and performance. Regularly update your investment strategy based on changes in your financial situation or market conditions. Stay informed about any new features or investment opportunities that may align with your insurance focus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.